Okay, so we've just got the hose up the back of the rear bumper so we can get onto the rear air vent. And if we now look at the camera, we can see the water starting to come through the air vent and filling up the box section. Once it fills up that box section, it would then work its way in the car, because obviously there's a couple of points where it can come in, then come in through the car, like that little hole just up here. And then what it's doing is, once it's then filled that box section up, it's then using the side of this carpet here to run all the way down, and then once it gets all the way down past the seats, it then fills up in this little bucket of water here. So that would explain why the water's getting to that point and then working its way down to the front of the passenger. So we advise obviously getting that fixed as well. We've got a bit of a altercation with this rubber here, because obviously someone's just gone straight over the rubber. We're not too sure how we're going to tackle that one yet, but I can't see it leaking as of yet, but obviously it's not been run the best way. And there we go.